Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Albuquerque, New Mexico, South, Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a facilities for disabled guests. Featuring a seasonal outdoor pool. This New Mexico motel is 5 minutes drive from Albuquerque International Airport. All rooms include cable TV with extended channels. Laundry facilities is located on site. Free Wi-Fi is provided. Each air-conditioned room at Motel 6 Albuquerque South Airport features an private bathroom. All rooms boast vibrant decor and light wood furnishings. 24-hour reception is offered at Airport, Motel 6 Albuquerque South. Fax and photocopying services are available. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are located on site. The University of New Mexico is 3 miles from this motel. Petroglyph National Monument is 17 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.